Hi, we are here with another interesting and informative video regarding bamboo craft. In this video, we are not only going to share with you the designs but also will share with you very much useful information regarding bamboo craft. You have seen many items that are made with bamboo straps in your routine life. There are many items that are made by bamboo or bamboo strap. For example, lamps, chairs, tables, beds, ladders, wall hanging items, etc. In this video, we are going to share with you information and regarding the operation techniques in bamboo craft. So, as a first step, which is about cutting a piece of bamboo with a cross-cut saw-wise technique. It is best done on a device that holds the bamboo firmly while it is being cut, while the right hand pushes the saw back and forth. The left hand gradually turns the bamboo clockwise. Turning the bamboo cutter counter-clockwise while it is being cut will damage the peel. Point number 2 is about scraping. Scraping is the process of removing the outermost skin of the bamboo, while the use of a special tool called the bamboo scraper. Scraping, however, may be done with a bolo. And at the point number 3, which is about making. Before splitting a piece of bamboo, it is necessary for the worker to divide the bamboo into convenient sizes. Making prevents unnecessary waste. And point number 4 is about splitting. Splitting is a process of dividing a piece of bamboo into sizes convenient for splinting. It is best done with the use of a specially made bolo, which thins gradually on both sides towards the cutting edge. The bolo is driven gently with the mallet. A mallet is a wooden hammer. Using a hammer, destroy the back portion with a bolo. And point number 5 is about splinting. Splinting is a process of dividing a piece of bamboo into thin strips for weaving. A specially designed bolo is used for this purpose. Point number 6 is about width sizing. Width sizing is a technique of making the width of bamboo splints uniform. It is best done with the use of a special tool called the width sizer. And next point is about thickness shaving. Thickness shaving is the process of making the thickness of splints uniform. It is done best by passing the splints through a tool specially designed for the purpose. And next step is about bleaching. Bleaching is treating bamboo splints by boiling. Boiling usually done in boiling pan made for the purpose dissolves resinous substances in the bamboo and make it no longer attractive to weevils. And the final step is about dyeing. The process of introducing coloring substances in the material while boiling is dyeing. Adding a little salt while boiling make the color fast. Dyed materials should be washed in fresh water to remove the excess dyes. So we do hope you will like this video and At the end of this video, we want to request you to please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this informative video with others. Your support always needed. If you have any kind of personal experience regarding bamboo craft or bamboo technique, please don't forget to share with us. Your comments encourage us. So have a nice day. Bye bye.